If your house feels just a little more annoying than it should, these are the easy hacks that'll fix that. They're simple things I actually do in my own home, not Pinterest perfect, just small, practical fixes that make everyday life easier. And some of these, I genuinely wish I started them way sooner. When furniture leaves dents in the carpet, I drop a few ice cubes right onto the dent and let them melt. As the carpet fibers absorb the moisture, they slowly lift back up. Once it's dry, I just fluff it with my fingers and the dent is basically gone. If you have pet hair stuck all over your furniture, try this. Just dampen a rubber glove and run it across the fabric. The glove grabs all the fur instantly and it's way easier than vacuuming every time. I also like using this tool from Amazon. I'll link it in the description box below, but the wet glove trick, if you already have a glove, so easy. For freezer foods I want to use again, I cut a small slit down the top of the bag and tie it in a knot. No clips needed and the bag stays sealed and organized in the freezer. If you have a pan with really stubborn burnt-on grease, try this one. Add water to the pan, bring it to a boil, and drop in a dishwasher tab. After a few minutes, the grease loosens and scrapes right off. I use a plastic spatula for this, and it works surprisingly well. When I travel, I slide each pair of shoes into a cheap shower cap from Dollar Tree. The elastic hugs the soles so dirt stays contained and nothing touches my clothes. Under the sink, I keep all of my cleaning supplies in a simple IKEA basket, so instead of bottles tipping everywhere, the whole basket pulls out so I can instantly see what I need. If pillows or small items always fall behind your bed, slide a piece of pool noodle the exact width of your mattress under the fitted sheet near the headboard. This creates a soft little barrier that keeps everything in place. I like to stick cord organizers onto small appliances so every time I put them away, the cord wraps neatly instead of turning into a tangled mess in the cabinet. These cord organizers have a sticky backing, so they're really easy to apply. IKEA's wooden plate rack actually works perfectly for storing books on surfaces like a side table or a bar cart. Each section holds a book upright so everything stays tidy and it's so easy to grab. If your cutting board slides when you're chopping, stick a few clear rubber bumpers on the bottom. It instantly turns any board into a non-slip one. The side of the fridge is a secret storage space that I love to use. I add magnetic shelves for spices and utensils that we grab all the time. Okay, this next one completely changed how my closet works. Organizing my essentials drawer into categories using fabric boxes from IKEA has been a game changer. Rolling the items inside the boxes helps everything fit and makes my mornings way easier. I like to stick felt pads on the back of dining chairs where they touch the wall. It completely stops those mystery scuffs from appearing, and it's so easy to do. A small Lazy Susan in the fridge means nothing gets lost in the back. I can just spin it and instantly see everything. I love this rectangular one from IKEA. In our small laundry room, I mounted a folding drying rack on the wall. It pulls out when I need it and folds flat when I don't, so it doesn't take up any floor space. This is so wonderful when you have a smaller laundry room like mine. I like to store our water bottles horizontally in the storage rack inside our kitchen island. This way, they're easy to grab and go. I keep a rolling cart in our living room for cozy hobbies like coloring, knitting, and journaling. It makes it easy for the whole family to unplug for a bit. In darker closets like this small pantry, I like to stick in motion lights so they turn on automatically when the door opens. They're really easy and affordable on Amazon, and I'll make sure to link them in the description box below. When I fold sheet sets, I tuck everything inside one pillowcase. This way the whole set stays together and the linen closet looks so much calmer. It creates the perfect little package for storage. In a small laundry room, hanging laundry bags keep clothes sorted and off the floor, and they make it really easy to grab a full load and put it in. I even label mine so that my children know where to put their colors, dark laundry, and the white laundry. I store charging cords in small zippered bags and label them so we always know what they belong to. I also created a little DIY wrap to keep the cords organized inside the bags. I keep a tiered tray in the entryway for things like glasses, wipes, lint rollers, and hair accessories so they're easy to grab before heading out. And if company's coming, I can simply take this off of my sideboard and put it neatly away. Instead of stacking kitchen towels, I roll them. You can see every towel at a glance, and grabbing one doesn't mess up the whole drawer, and you can also fit more towels in your drawer if you roll them this way. I clip reusable grocery bags together with a simple carabiner from Dollar Tree so I can grab them all in one go. I love this one because it has this foam handle, so it's comfortable to carry a lot of grocery bags at the same time. I keep a small reset basket on the stairs for anything that doesn't belong on the main floor. At the end of the night, everything goes in and the house resets in about 2 minutes. If even one of these hacks made your day a little easier, that is a win. Tell me in the comments which one you're trying first. And if you like this video, I'm gonna leave another one for you on the left with even more home hacks that are gonna make your life easier.